we are not just commissioning a road. We are keeping a promise. 3 years ago, we took an oath to serve you. We pledged to end the era of abandoned projects. Today, FCT Highway 105 stands as proof that we keep our word. And let me be very clear. The present administration does not inherit problems to abandon them. We inherit challenges to solve them. To appreciate the significance of this moment, we must recall why we started. This road was awarded in 2022, but little progress was made. It became a symbol of frustration, gridlock for businesses, dust in the dry season and mud in the rains. Therefore, when I appointed the Honorable Minister of the FCT, Barrister Prof.Mgbeke, I did so because he delivers. While there were delays, we brought political will. While there were obstructions, we paid compensation because we respect the law and value progress. Beyond the concrete and asphalt, this project speaks to a larger vision. The renewed hope agenda is not just for the city center. True democracy must be felt at the grassroots. It must be felt in Kuje, and the commuter coming from or going to Kuje must feel it. Every Nigerian must feel it. This 6-lane dual carriageway we are commissioning today is indeed a game changer. You no longer have to endure the suffocating bottleneck that once characterized the Kuje Airport Road axis and the lost man hours. Now we are giving you your time back, and time is money, and we are putting that time back in your pocket. More importantly, we are opening up our satellite towns. Abuja cannot grow if only the city center thrives. With this road, we decongest the city, lift property values, attract investment, and help our farmers move their produce to markets without delay. This is how you build an economy from the bottom up. To the people of Kuje, thank you for your patience during the construction. Thank you for believing that change was possible. In the same vein, I commend Arab contractors. You have delivered this road to international standards. And to the FCT Minister, Barrister Prof.Mgbeke, you have proven once again that when we give a task to a performer, the results speak for themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, let me use this opportunity to reassure the good citizens of this country that will not stop here. Across Nigeria, from the coast to the Sahel, we are laying the foundation for lasting prosperity. We are building the roads, the railways, and the institutions that will sustain generations to come. However, the government cannot do it alone. Development is a partnership. To sustain this progress, I urge every resident, business owner, and developer, pay your taxes, clear your ground rents and land peace. Your civic duty gives us the resources to replicate this success in every satellite town. I conclude by appealing directly to our traditional rulers, community leaders, and the youth of Kuje. This road is yours. Guard it. Protect the street lights, the drainage, the walkways. Do not allow vandalism. Do not turn it into an illegal market or refuse dump. If you see anything or anyone destroying it, report them. Protect what we have built, and it will serve your children for decades to come. On this note, and with gratitude to Almighty God, it's my singular honor and privilege on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR to commission FCT Highway 105, the Airport Expressway to Kuje Township Junction, for the service of our people and for the good of humanity. Thank you all, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.